The Sbaraglia Super23 Cordless shaker boasts high performance and power, which, coupled with the telescopic rod, ensures a large collection capacity. The 21-volt engine ensures sustained and constant power, able to generate a speed of 1,500 beats per minute. This speed not only guarantees an efficient and agile collection but minimizes the risk of damage both to the precious fruit and the plant. The rods, entirely made of carbon and designed to be interchangeable, enhance the longevity and adaptability of the Sbaraglia Harvester, allowing quick and simplified replacements to optimize the device's performance in various collection conditions. While the design features a robust and solid structure, it pays particular attention to the device's manageability. The contained weight of 2.10 kg, without battery, not only facilitates maneuverability but significantly reduces the operator's physical effort, enhancing operational efficiency and overall productivity. With a total length variable between 150 and 250 centimeters, the Sbaraglia Super23 Harvester presents itself as the perfect tool, combining practicality and lightness.